Alright, now this has been a little while coming. By popular request, I'm doing another Balalaika tutorial. This is Korobeiniki, the Peddlers. You may well know it as the Tetris theme. This Balalaika is tuned EEA, standard tuning for Balalaika. And to play Korobeiniki, we're going to start with the E strings, both open, and starting at, yes, also, I'm playing with a pick. This was mentioned quite a bit in my previous videos. I'm playing with a pick because I'm not good enough at my hands yet. I have, in fact, been practicing, but I'm not good enough yet, so I'm going to play with a pick for now, but I am working on the playing with my hands, I promise. So, 2nd fret A string, leave the E strings open. 3rd, 5th, 7th. Now come back to the 3rd and use your thumb to fret both E strings in the 5th string. Now open. 7th and 5th frets for the E strings and 7th for the A. 5th all. 3rd for the A string. And now you're going to take your index finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you're going to use your thumb to push to the 4th fret of one of the E strings, leave the middle one open. Now leave your thumb where it is and move to the 3rd fret of the A string. Now fret both 5th frets on the E strings and 5th fret in the A string too. 7th fret in the A string. 3. And open. So that's the first part of Korobeiniki. I'm going to play it through slowly so you can get it. Okay, so that's the first half of the song. That wasn't too bad, right? Now, the next bit is, I like to do a little transition when I'm going to it, because I have to go from here on the fretboard all the way up to here. So I like to do a little transition with the strokes that I have in between playing the first half and the second half of the song. And to do that, I just go 5th fret, 3rd fret, 1st fret with the E strings, like that. So I'm going to play it through again, so you can get it down the first half, and then I'm going to do that transition, and then I'll come up to the second half, right? Sorry about that, I had a bit of a recording error, but perfect place because we're halfway through the song. So for the second half of the song, we just done that transition, we're going to come right up here, and you're going to play the E strings on the 10th fret, and the A string on the 8th, and the 10th on the A, 12th, 10th, 8th, 7th on the A, and then the 8th fret for the E's, and then the 8th for all, 7th for the A, 5th and 7th, 3rd and 5th, 2nd and just one of the E strings on the 4th fret, leave the middle one open, and the 3rd and the 4th, fret both of the E strings in the 5th and cover the 5th with your A string, so 5th all, 7th, 3rd, open. I again apologize, had another recording error, which is, I'm running out of space on this device apparently. But I should have enough for just the last few seconds. You'll notice then that brought us back around to the beginning of the song. Like that last bit that we played was the same as the first bit of the song. That's because this song loops around in itself rather easily. The song is very good for doing that. You can kind of play it continuously, and if you'd like to end it there, you can end it there, but if you want to, you can just play the same sequence again and it'll take you around in the loop. So you can play it for as long as you want or as short as you want, which is very nice about this song. I also encourage doing some embellishment on it. There's this song, because it is, looping and not incredibly difficult. It encourages doing some embellishment, like my little transition there isn't actually in the original song, but it's, you know, I like doing it because it's adds a little bit of my own touch to the song. And I encourage you to do that as well. Maybe speed it up when you play it, and play the first loop slowly, and then a little bit faster in the second, third, fourth. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.